is a song for you. I woke up to another day. Got to get to work, gotta get the big pay. I got corn on to rent and the other nonsense that slowly turning me into a slave. But it's okay because I look good. I got the best clothes and the best neighborhood, and that's what it's about, the American dream. We in the rat race, but the rats want cream. In an obscene amount, more than I can count, so I won't recognize that I'm drowning deep in the oceans of life. My breath full of strife from the headaches, the stress just pounding me down. Here come the tears of a clown, the hottest name in the whole town this time. But my frown that's inside is hidden by my pride, cause everything I want is mine. But sometimes, yeah, weight of the world, yeah, it's bringing me down. Weight of the world, weight of the world, bringing me down, bringing me down. But I gotta get up, I gotta get up. I wake up to another day. Gotta peek out just to make sure it's safe, cause these times are changing and reshaping into something I can't face and it feels strange. We got religious people judging the whole world.
Sometimes I feel the weight of the world, and it's so heavy and it's bringing me down.
Wake up, wake up to another day. Gotta get to work, gotta get the big pay. I got car notes to rent and the other nonsense that's slowly turning me into a slave.